two of the most trusted frameworks in web development. In 2026, the question isn't which one is better, it's which one is right for you. Laravel is a PHP framework built around the server. It handles business logic, data, and everything an application needs to run on its own. Eloquent makes database work feel natural. Queues and jobs handle background processing without extra setup. Authentication is ready on day one. And with Filament and Livewire, a full admin panel can go from idea to working screen in a single afternoon. Next.js is a React framework built around the interface. It's a meta framework, routing, rendering, and delivery, all designed to get pixels in front of users fast. Server components let you render on the server and ship less JavaScript. Edge deployment puts your app physically closer to every visitor anywhere in the world, and it inherits the largest front end ecosystem there is. So, where does each one actually win? For global first paint, Next.js has the edge, literally. For raw server throughput on infrastructure you control, Laravel holds its own. Out of the box, Next.js is built for search engine visibility. And when it comes to background jobs, queues, scheduled tasks, retries, Laravel's tooling is hard to beat. Laravel ships as a complete ecosystem. Hosting, admin panels, background jobs, first party tools cover most of what you'd otherwise have to assemble yourself. Next.js leans the other way. A vast modular ecosystem built on React and NPM, paired with a platform designed for instant deploys. One hands you a toolbox, the other hands you a workshop full of parts you choose yourself. So, when do you actually reach for each one? Choose Laravel for multi tenant SaaS, e commerce with complex business rules, admin heavy internal tools, or anything leaning on background processing. Choose Next.js for marketing and content sites, SEO first products, front end heavy consumer apps, or global products where every millisecond of load time matters. Here's the part a lot of teams miss: you don't have to pick just one. A common, proven architecture uses Laravel as the backend, handling data and business logic through a clean API, while Next.js takes the front end, rendering a fast, SEO-friendly interface on top of it. Two frameworks, each covering the other's gaps. There's no universal winner here. Choose Laravel for backend depth and speed of delivery. Choose Next.js for front-end performance and reach. Or, like more teams are doing in 2026, choose both.